Cadet Ariel O with a general weighting average for the first semester 2023-2024 of 1.59. For the first semester 2024-2025 of 1.63. Farman Sara R with a general weighted average for the first semester of 2023-2024 of 1.61. For the first semester of 2024-2025, 1.63. So, Cabanero Roseanne D with a general weighted average for the second semester of 2023-2024 of 1.46. Flores Renzel T with a G1 second semester academic year 2023-2024